Freecash says an endless loading screen is usually caused by an outdated browser or unsupported operating system version. So the first fix is updating the software rather than repeatedly reinstalling the app. iFresh Wanda. By the end, you'll know which device settings to check, when the problem is caused by your browser, and when you should contact Freecash support. If Freecash reaches 99% and never finishes loading, start with your browser or operating system. Freecash supports modern browsers and specifically recommends Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari with current versions. Its support documentation says an outdated browser can cause the loading screen to continue indefinitely. Freecash. On a computer, update your browser first. If you're using Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, install the latest available version and then reopen Freecash. On an iPhone or iPad, Freecash currently requires iOS 16.4 or later. If your device supports that update, open Settings, select General A, then Software Updating, and install the available update. Freecash. On Android, Freecash recommends updating both Chrome and Android System Web View through Google Play. These components can affect how app-based web content loads, so update both before testing Freecash again. Wonder. If your phone cannot run a supported operating system version, Freecash recommends accessing the platform from a laptop or desktop instead. There's another check if Freecash loads but your account appears different afterward. Technical updates can sometimes log users out, and Freecash says using a different email address or sole login can make the account appear reset. Sign out and sign back in using the exact same email address or login method you originally used. If you're trying to complete a game offer, and the game itself is frozen rather than the Freecash website, that's a different problem. Freecash says technical faults inside another company's game or app need to be handled by that developer. Use the game's Google Play or App Store listing to find its developer support contact. Freecached. If Freecash itself remains stuck at 99% after updating your browser, operating system, Chrome, or WebView, check Freecash's system status page. Freecash currently reports that its platform is fully operational. Freecached 4. At that point, contact Freecash through live chat. On desktop, use the green button in the bottom right corner. On mobile, open the sidebar, select Shot, then tap the headset button. Freecash 5. So the practical fix is simple. Update your software first, reopen Freecash, verify you're using the correct account login, and separate a Freecash loading problem from a game-specific loading problem. Your next step is to update your browser or device software before changing anything else. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes and troubleshooting guides.